Looking for some cute and fun Easter gifts? Check out these stickers, bookmarks, and gift tag I made with the Cricut Joy Xtra and the QFUN Laminator. These are all waterproof and make great Easter gifts. Let's walk through how to make each. We're going to start off with making Easter stickers, and I've downloaded this set of Easter stickers from designbundles.net, and I'll include the link in the description of this video below. Over in Cricut Design Space, I've already uploaded 3 of the 5 images I'm going to use for stickers. And how did I do that? I clicked on Upload on the left, and then Upload Image, and then Browse to locate the images that I want to bring in. So we'll first bring in this one right here, and then click on Open. It gives you a preview to make sure you're pulling in the right image. Then click on Continue. And there is no background or adjustments I need to make to anything here, so I'm just going to click on Apply and Continue. And because I want to bring it in as a sticker, I'm going to click on Flat Graphic, and then click on Continue. And then Upload. Now once it's uploaded, I'm going to go ahead and resize it by changing the height to 2.5. All right, let's do that one more time with the last image. We'll go back under Upload, Upload Image, Browse, select the next image, click on Open. That's the image I want to bring in, so click on Continue, Apply and Continue, Flat Graphic, Continue, and Upload. And then once it comes in, we'll resize it down to 2.5. And those are my stickers. Now I downloaded these from designbundles.net, and I downloaded them as stickers. And when they came in automatically uploaded into Design Space with print and cut already selected. So they are print and cut images ready to go. Now I want to make sure that each one of those has a white border around it, because I do want a little bit of white spacing around each one of my stickers. Right now my canvas is white, and if I want to see if there's a white border around this, I can click on Blank Canvas in the bottom right, and then the color box at the top, click on that, and then change it to something darker so that I can actually see what the background looks like. And just like I wanted, each one of these stickers already has a white offset applied to it, so these are ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Make, and I'm not going to save this particular project. And these are my stickers. This is one piece of sticker paper, and I'm not using all of my space. So I could go up under Project Copies and click that up arrow to increase it to 2, and then click on Apply. And now you can see I have almost one full sheet of stickers here. I have Happy Easter on another page. So I could try to click on the triple dots, click on Move Object, then click on my first mat and confirm, and see if there's a way that I can make this sticker work. So if I put Happy Easter there, and then go back to the second one and click on those triple dots again and say Move Object and put it on the first mat and confirm. So now I have Happy Easter here and Happy Easter here. I'm looking good there, and I'm just going to try to squeeze in these eggs to see if I can get all of them on one sheet of sticker paper. And it looks like I actually can. So just by moving things around, I'm able to conserve the amount of paper I'm using. And I'm able to send these to my printer to print, and then we'll send them through to cut. So from here, I'm going to go ahead and click on Continue. It's going to make a Bluetooth connection to my Cricut Joy Xtra. And I'm going to go ahead and click on Send to Printer. I'm going to use my Canon laser color printer. I'm going to turn Add Bleed off, and I'm going to go ahead and click on Print. And this is what my printed stickers look like. I think they look great. I actually am using Joy's sticker paper that works with inkjet or laser printers, and I've never had an issue with it. I am going to laminate these using Avery self-laminating sheets, and they're super easy to use. All you have to do is remove the top strip, and I like to place that on my desk. And then I'm able to easily slip my sticker paper up underneath the backing, and it kind of attaches to the top of that strip. And then I like to just use my hand and pull the backing off, using my hand to wipe out any potential wrinkles as I move along. I use my weeding tool to actually lift the sticky part off of my desk, and then I grabbed a pair of scissors and I trimmed off the excess overage of the lamination sheet from all 4 sides. Before I cut these on the Cricut Joy Xtra, I want to make sure that I don't have any issues with it reading the registration marks. And to do that, I'm going to use the QFUN Laminator that was sent to me. I'm going to test it out on all 3 projects I'm making in this video. The first thing I notice is the awesome purple color. It's obviously not part of the function of the machine, but it sure is pretty. The front of the laminator has guide marks for sizes from A3 to A6, and they include lamination sheet samples of each size in the package. The laminator can perform hot or cold lamination. The cold setting is on when there's a red light next to it. You can use it for hot lamination by switching modes to 3mm, which is good for sticker paper or copy paper, or 5mm, which is good for thicker material like cardstock. In the event you experience a jam, there's an ABS button on the back to help you quickly resolve the issue. This machine is packed full of surprises. The lid opens up and there's actually storage under there. And inside you will find a paper trimmer. You'll also find a mini hole punch. There is an extra blade for the trimmer. There's also a corner rounder tool, which we'll use in a little bit, as well as 3 different size binder rings. And everything fits so nice and neat in this machine that you'll know where everything is at whenever you need to use it. How convenient is all of that? I'm going to go ahead and turn it on, and by default the cold setting is lit up with a red dot. This means the machine is ready to go. I was able to easily feed in my stickers and run it through the machine with no problems whatsoever, and it worked perfectly. So now I'm going to go ahead and attach these to my Cricut Joy Xtra mat, and I'm going to use my brayer tool to make sure that it's stuck on there very well. And then in Design Space, I'm going to choose the material to be stickers. And I'm going to use the search box to type in stickers. And I'm actually going to select the ones that are labeled with white holographic. Because of the lamination, it's extra material on there. I really want to make sure that I get the proper cut. So with that selected, I go ahead and insert my mat into the machine. And I want to point out that when I actually click go, I want to show you that it truly is reading those registration marks. You can see here that there is no issue, that the machine is not having any glare problems because of the lamination sheet on top. And here it is cutting. And once it's done, I'm going to turn the mat over and remove the sticker paper from the mat, or the mat from the sticker paper, I should say, so that it doesn't curl the paper. And then I'm able to use my weeding tool to start pulling up that sticker paper, and you can see that now I've got some very nice kiss cut stickers, and kiss cut means that the stickers remain on the backing of the material. These are absolutely adorable. Now let's make some Easter bookmarks. I downloaded this cute design off of designbundles.net, and I'll include the link to this file in the description of this video. I'm going to go ahead and use Cricut Design Space for this project just to print my bookmarks out, but I don't have to. I could use any program I want to print my design. I'm going to use the laminator and the tools that came with it to actually finish the project. So in Cricut Design Space, I've already loaded 2 of the 3 designs I'm going to use for my bookmarks today. To get the third one in, it's the same as we did with stickers, but let's walk through it one more time. I'm going to click on Upload on the left, then Upload Image, Browse, locate the image I want to bring in, click Open. That's the image I want. I'll click Continue. I'm not going to make any changes to the background or anything, so I'll just click Apply and Continue. And then again, I'm going to bring this in as a flat graphic, so I'll select that and then click Continue and then Upload. And I'll go ahead and change the height of that to 6 inches. And now I have my 3 designs. So just like I did with stickers, I want to make sure that I have a little bit of a white border around these designs. So I'm going to click on my blank canvas in the bottom right, and then the color box at the top, and change that to a darker color. And I can see now that I do not have any offset or any padding or white space around my images, and I want that. So I'm going to click on one of them. I'm going to go up to Offset, and I'm going to apply just a thin layer of an offset there. Click Apply, and change that color to white. I'll repeat that with the other 2. Offset, Apply, change it to white. One more time. Click on Offset, Apply, change the color to white. So now I've got mine set up, but I need to first flatten the offset with each image in order to truly be a print and cut image. So I'm going to select the first 2, the offset plus the image, and go to Flatten on the bottom right. Select the second 2, Flatten on the bottom right. and then select the last offset image and go to flatten on the bottom right. Now I have 3 layers and all 3 are flattened print and cut images. I'm not going to save my project. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to space these out just a little bit. I'm not going to use the Cricut Joy Xtra to cut these. I'm actually going to use the tools that came with the lamination machine. So I'm going to click continue, and I'm going to go ahead and send to printer with no bleed, and I'm going to use cardstock. With my bookmarks printed, I'm going to insert them into one of the provided lamination sheets and turn the machine on. Because I'm using cardstock, I'm going to set the machine to 5 mil. The green light will flash until the machine is ready, and it heats up in about 60 seconds. And I know it's ready because the flashing light is now green. I'm going to go ahead and run my bookmarks through the machine, and I did speed this part of the video up, but they absolutely look great. So I'm going to go ahead and use the tools that came with the laminator to trim the bookmarks down, round the corners, as well as add a hole with the hole punch for the ribbon to go through. Seriously, how cute did these turn out? I absolutely love it, and all the tools were so super easy to use. Now let's make a gift tag for our Easter basket. I've already gone to designbundles.net and downloaded this cute little image, which I will link in the description of this video below. So to get started, I'm going to go to Upload, and I'm going to go to Image Upload and Browse and locate my gift tag. Click Open. That is the image I want to use. I'll click Continue and Apply and Continue. And I'm going to choose Flat Graphic again and Continue, and then Upload. And then I'm going to go ahead and size this down to, let's say, 3 inches high and bring that over here. Now, I want to make this a gift tag, and I'm actually going to make it a circle gift tag. So instead of applying an offset, because the offset would be jagged around this, and I'll show you, go to Offset. You can see when I click Apply, it's got a really jagged offset to it, and it really isn't what I wanted for this particular design. So I'm going to click Undo, and I'm going to go under Shapes, and I'm going to grab a circle and close Shapes down. Then I'll make that circle nice and big, and I will push it to the back behind my cute little design here, and shrink my circle up just a little bit. And before I finish sizing everything, I'm going to go ahead under the Text tool, and I'm going to type in Happy Easter. And with that text selected, I'm going to go under Font and change that font to a system font I have called Strawberry. And then I'll go ahead and click on that font. And I'm going to put it up here, and I'm going to change the color to white for the moment. And I'm going to go ahead and, with that text selected, click on the Curve tool, and I'm going to curve this down a little bit so that it kind of curves into my design, something like that. And I'm going to go ahead and shrink it down just a little bit, put it in place, maybe a little bit more, move my design down just a hair, and adjust that curve. It's a little too much, just something more like that. Then I'm going to go grab my text tool again, and this time I'm going to type in a name, Caitlin, and I'm going to change that font to white and size it down just a little bit as well. I'm going to make my circle a little bit bigger. I'm going to select everything and go to Align Horizontal. And I think I'm going to go ahead and select just the circle and the image, and go to Align, Center, and I'm going to make my circle just a little bit bigger again and move Caitlin down a little bit and move Happy Easter up just a hair. Get that, just a hair. And go to Align Horizontal, and that looks pretty close to what I want. I'm going to move Caitlin up just a bit, maybe shrink my circle just a little bit, select everything, align, center horizontally. All right, that's what I think I want my gift tag to look like. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that gray circle, and I'm going to change it to white. And then I'm going to click on Happy Easter and go under the color box and change it to maybe a pink color, and Caitlin as well as a pink color. Now I think that looks pretty good for what I'm looking to do. So I'm going to select everything and I'm going to flatten it. And you can see that it's a print and cut image under layers. And if you want to make sure that that white border is there, change your canvas color to a dark color like we did previously. And that's what your image is going to look like when you print it. Now I like the way this looks, but before I go ahead and print this, I need a little bit more space above Happy Easter because I'm going to actually put a hole punch through that and use a ribbon to tie it to my Easter basket. So I'm going to go ahead and select that and unflatten it, and then select just the circle and make it a little bit bigger. And then I'll select everything and go under Align, Center Horizontally, and then go ahead and reflatten it. All right, now I'm ready to print this. And before I print this, I'm just going to go ahead and select everything and take a note that the size is 5 inches by, roughly 5 inches by 5 inches, and I don't want it to be quite that big. So I'm going to shrink that down to 4 by 4. I think that's better. And then I'm going to go click on Make, and then Continue. It's going to make that Bluetooth connection to my Cricut Joy Xtra. And then I'm going to send to printer and turn Add Bleed off using my Canon laser color printer and go ahead and print. I followed the same steps as I did for the bookmarks. I printed on cardstock. I inserted my cutout in the lamination sheet and then fed it through the machine, but I had the machine set again to 5 mil because I'm using the cardstock. Now the difference between the bookmarks and this is that this gift tag is a circle, so I had to use a pair of scissors to trim off the excess. But I did use the provided hole punch to add the hole at the top, which made it easy for me to insert a piece of ribbon and tie it to my Easter basket. These were all so much fun to make and super easy. I actually put the stickers on one of my tumblers and I think it looks adorable. The QFUN Laminator was so easy to use, and I love all the tools that come with it and how nicely they store inside. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to click that subscribe button and notification bell to keep up with all our new content. Thanks for watching and happy crafting!